The East Khasi Hills DC today convened a meeting with HYC to discuss the matter pertaining to eviction of illegal settlers from Loam Survey. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, HYC President Roykupar Sindrem said that the District and Sessions Court has stayed any eviction in the matter and the next hearing is on August 19. The administration has assured the NGO that the judgment will be in their favour. The HYC, however, warned that similar action will be taken post-August 19 if the settlers are not evicted from the area. According to Sindrem, following their eviction earlier this year, they have received inputs that some drug peddlers are still operating from the area.
Most probably, they are very confident that on the 19th of August, the court order will be in their favour, and after that, steps will be taken to evict them as soon as they get the court order. That is number one. Against that, we have also informed them that, see, we cannot wait anymore. We'll wait till the 19th of August, and if the defence estate officer cannot take steps to evict or to clear the whole plot of land, or if not the 3 person who went to court, but against the rest of the 80 households, then HYC will be forced to take another action